Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just making one of my final videos. As you can hear, somebody sounds happy. Yep, just having a quick look round, showing you everything's getting ready for winter now. Switching off. You can see got my hollyhocks down here that are self-seeded. They'll need spraying for a rust soon. But yeah, I'm really happy with this camera. Galaxy, I think it's S25G plus. But yeah, you can see there, slugs and snails and puppy dog tails. They absolutely love hostas. Let's have a quick walk round. Baskets are still looking well, they need watering. Just letting stuff dry out actually, but yeah, just can walk around here. This Begonia that I've grown from seed, looking really good. You should see that. Blurred as anything, I don't know if I can get that. So look here. What's that like there? No, that's no good. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, look how vibrant they are in the centre. Absolutely amazing. Yep, if you turn around here, the sun there. Even all my pots that are blown over in the wind. Nice petunias there. Look at the state of these. These are waterlogged. Throw that out. Here we go with these pots. Wow, look at that. Well, that's done me a favour. That's broken off there. I shall be using, I might try and use some of them for cuttings actually. Put that one side. Let's get these standing up straight, shall we? This one here. There we go. Well, covered in water. Let's get this one stood up. Yeah, I'm going to have to spend a few days going through all these, sorting it all out. These are my dahlias. So I've got some nice flowers on them. Just have been on this side for a few days. But yeah, you can see that's a little wildlife section that I just let all the weeds grow, and it's done really well. Look really nice. Here's my climbers, my clotted cream, my clematis. You see the wasps are really, you know, magnify it a little bit. I'll show you when I get around there. But yeah, look at my delphiniums. My agapanthus, queen mum variety, this one's called. Still flowering. My delphiniums that I've grown from seed last year. Next year should be the best year for them yet. Letting these baskets dry out. I have to give them a water before I then go and separate all the plants, sort them out for winter. Because all these plants I've got in here, apart from the trim lobelia, can be saved for next year. Oh, look, we've got here. Look at this little bad boy. Look at him. Wow. He's enjoying the sun. Right, here we go. Yep. These are all getting ready. These tubers should be massive on these when I take them out. There's echinacea. That's looking nice. Let's get rid of them there. Just hope it hasn't rotted. I'll just have a look at these, shall we? Got a wasp nest here, as you can see that. See them all going in and out there, really enjoying themselves, aren't they? But yeah, there's actually honey or something that's actually starting to show through the plasterboard inside, because that's actually hollow. But yeah, look at those bad boys. Right, let's get down here, show you what's left of these. Wow, these are heavy, man. Stand that one up and stand that one up. They need a good water. I should be taking some cuttings from those. These are my, I forget the name of them now. It's on my potty. These are my hydrangea cuttings. As you can see, all of them have taken now. Sending out lovely side shoots. Yeah, really pleased with these. These are £20 a plant when they're fully grown. Yeah, really all taken 100% success rate with those. Right, here we go. These are my agapanthus that I've grown from seed, highborn variety I think they're called. These are my begonias I've grown from some plug plants out that I got from Thompson and Morgan. Yeah, get some flowers off these next year. It is a 2 or 3 year growing period, but it's well worth it because you never know what you're going to get when they actually flower. Yeah, so these, like I said, highborn range. Yeah, this should be really nice. Oh, that's one of my delphinium cuttings. That's a root cutting. One there as well. And the others have been eaten by slugs and snails, which is a pity. Yeah, this tree, I'm going to find some way to plant this. This has grown from a seed. Get this up here, so that is. Yeah, this silver birch. I'm really pleased with this. This is just a seed that fell into the pot. I've now got a tree out of it, so I'm well happy with that. But yeah, if you've got any questions regarding anything I grow in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask. I'll answer any questions. If you like my videos, please subscribe, folks. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Please give me a like and click follow if you're on Facebook. Thank you very much. Bye.